What's up? It's your boy JP, Shirt Guy Productions. And I'm doing another video. I just got home and I received a special package. Look what I got, guys. ISR Performance. Do you know what it is? Probably some of you guys probably know. Let me cover this little thing here. Well, I'm about to open it. Alright, guys. Got my knife here. About to cut this up. Hold on a second. Alright. Trying to lock my address. I got people to come look for me. Might owe somebody some money somewhere. Yeah, you excited? Yeah, look at that tail. What we're doing. Yep. I got some test pipes for my 370Z. Woo! Look at that, baby. Alright, guys. I went with these for 2 reasons. Portable, and I have seen nothing but good reviews on them. There you go. I was on YouTube checking them out. Check a couple of different types of brand and test pipes. And yeah, I decided to go with this one. Quality is good. Let me open one of these. Hold on a second. Oh, I get to open one and it looks solid. Real good. Well, good. Very good. ISR Performance. Okay, let's check. Put that bad boy down. Check what else came in here. Obviously, it's 2 of them. So the V6. So I'll put that one there. Got the stuff that I need. Yeah, this. There you go. And these are supposed to be let me go far. Alright, move all up close. These are supposed to be the extenders when I put the O2 sensor, so it won't give me a check engine light. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it anyway. But I'm definitely getting a tune on my car. So this is one of 2 that I'm getting, and I should be getting this installed on Saturday. Tomorrow I should be receiving my other thing. So, and like that, if I snap my fingers, we'll be here tomorrow. So, anyways, peace. What's up, guys? This is day 2, and I received another package. Guys, ready to see it? All right, guys, I cut it up, so I'm gonna open it up. What could it be? What could it be? Well, I'll turn it around. Sorry, guys. Got this on top of my table. My wife finds out, she'll kill me. Nah, not really, because I bought this table. Oop, I'll be killing myself if I scratch up the table. Whoop. There we go. Ooh, H&Rs. H&Rs, what are they? They're springs. Yes, I wish it was coilovers, but I don't have money like that, so I had to go with springs. So this means I'm gonna drop my 370Z. It's gonna go lower. And I heard these are good brands. They good quality made and good, and yeah, so that's what it is. It's to hook up to make my car lower than what it is. But I will before you roast me in the comments, I will soon down the line we'll get coilovers. Just need to save up a bit, but for now my car sits too high and I need to put springs, make it look lower, make it look beastie. All right, so let me open this. Let me take this out the box. Hold on a second. Alrighty. There we go. Got things flying. Some cool stuff here. Alrighty, so here we go. Here they are. I'm assuming this is for the back. Damn, these things are heavy. Nice. And these two are for the front. They're a bit skinnier. Well, I could be wrong. Yeah. Oh no. Wait, hold on. All right. Says front. Front. Oh my God. What the hell? This thing's like covered in oil. Oh, okay. There you go. This is for the fronts. And this is for the rear. R and R, and my hand is full of oil. Oh my God. But yeah, there you go. So the two in the middle is in the fronts, and the back ones are for the rears. Okay, now it makes sense. So these and the test pipes will be installed on Saturday, and I can't wait. So, what's up, guys? It's day 3. See, I'm walking my dog here. But anyway, it's day 3. We're gonna head soon to get the things installed for the car, the test pipe, down pipe, whatever you want to call it, and also the springs. Can't wait to see how it looks. I'm gonna do a before and after, you know, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So look at how it sits right there. That gap. Let me see how much gap that is. Maybe 4 feet? No, 3. A little bit over 3. That's how much I could stick my fingers. Let's see the back. Back's probably the same shit. Yeah, wait. Yeah. 3. Alrighty. I got the springs and the test pipe, down pipe, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's get ready, baby. We out this bitch. So I'll see you over there. What's up, guys? Just wanted to let you know I messed up. I was supposed to do a video dropping off the car, but I got so excited I forgot. It's all my wife's fault. Right, babe?
Shut up.
Right. See how she treats me? Help me, people. Help me. Anyways, I dropped off the car. I'm gonna go pick it up later. I don't have dinner right now. It's my sister's lowest birthday. So, catch you in the next clip. Peace. Well, it's the next morning. I know I was supposed to show you a little clip of the car, how it looks, but I got back to the spot a little late, and I was tired, and I didn't really have battery life on my phone to take that footage. So, see my car? See how low it sits now? Yeah, baby. Look at that drop, bro. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. So, and the sound, damn. I will have to do it on the next video. I know you probably want to listen to the video, but I need my little stand thing so you guys can hear it. Actually, let me see if I can come up with something. If I can't, it will be the next one. But let me see. Hey guys, man, sorry man, I can't do the video. It started to pour, and I don't have nothing to hold it, so you will have to catch it in the next video. But if anything, if you follow me on Instagram, it's Short Guy Productions. Follow me there, and you will get some exhaust notes. And yeah, that's about it. So anyways, guys, thanks you for watching. You hear that sound? Oh, you can hear it right now. There you go. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like this video if you haven't subscribed yet. For those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see with this car. You know, I got big things with this car. It's just happening little by little, slow. Great. So yeah. Sorry, you know, driving and doing this vlog here. Catch you on the next video, right? Peace.